Bonjour, and in this lesson we are going to talk about numbers. And just to jog your memory, we'll go back to number 1 to 9. You remember from our previous lesson, 0 is 0. It has an accent on E, this one here. Then 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we want to talk about we want to talk about now from number 10. 10 is this. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. And 16 is 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the most, let me say, they are the most unique. As in, they don't change a lot, and we'll come back to that. You'll see what that means. Up to 16. Then from 16, there's a way in which you are able to tell. For instance, when we talk about 17, we are going to say 10 and 7. So you'll say this set, which is this 10 here, and 7, which is set. So 17 is this set, and 18, you can already guess, it is this width, and 19 is going to be, yes, you got it, this north. So from 17 to 19, you can actually guess, because it's just 10 plus the number. And if you have known from 0 to number 9, then that is easy. Now, the same thing we are going to do when we go to 20. 20 is 20. 20. Now, I'll skip 21 and go to 22. I'll come back to it later on. And we have 22. Again, it's just like we did 17 to 19. So here it's 20 and then the number. So 22 is 22. Maybe I need to reduce the font a little bit. So we have 22. And then for 23, you can already guess, is 20 and then 3, 23. 24 is 24. And so on and so forth up to number 29. You'll just be adding that. 30 is 30. I'll skip 31 again. I'll come back to it. So 32 is more or less the same thing. So you have 32, 33, we have 33. Let's go to 37. 37 is 37, and so on and so forth. 40 is 40. 40. And again, we go to 42. It will be 42. Then you can guess 43 is going to be 40. 43 is going to be 43. 44, 44. Let's do 46. 46 is going to be 46. Up to 49. The same thing will apply when we use 50. 50, which is 50. 50 is 50. So 50, let's say 50. 59 will be 59. This 9 here. The same applies to 60, in which case 60 is 60. 60 is 60. And if it is 60, you can tell 63 would be 63. 63. This goes all the way up to 69. 69. That is 69. 69. We'll pause there for a moment because things now will change from 70. But from 20 to 69, you can see it is easy. All you need to know is what is here. What is 20? 20. That is 30. 40 is 40. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. And then the rest now you just need to know 1 to 9. And that goes. You only put the hyphen to join the two. 42, 63, 33, and so on and so forth. But then this row here, we passed it. We skipped it because it's slightly different. And so 21, you'd say 21. It's like saying 20 and 1. And remember, when you say this, you don't put any hyphen. It's like a sentence. It's like a phrase. So you say 20 and 1. That means 21. And this is how you read it. You say 21. 21. 21. 31 is also going to take the same cue. And you simply say 31. And that means 31. 31. The same happens with 41. The same happens with 51. And the same applies for 61. 61 is going to be 61. 61. 61. So I guess you can be able to now say the numbers from 0 to 69.